audio to our first animation event, which will be the player walking. So if you look here, we can look at the whole walking animation, where the player is just taking basically two full steps. And if we are trying to make the sound of the footsteps, right, is we want to be able to have a sound play basically as soon as the player's foot hits the ground, right? So the first thing that we want to do is what's called scrubbing through the animation. I just did it, for example, there to show the full one. But basically, we want to find different points within the animation where we want to insert our sound. So like we said, we want it to be when the player's foot strikes the ground, so we can kind of scroll through it slowly, frame by frame, until we see at about here, a little frame 10, where that left foot is making contact with the ground. So at this point, what we do is we want to, we go to the events tab, and we want to add an event at that timestamp, and we're going to call that play step, and that name is going to be useful for the scripts that we'll run later. Say, and next we want to do the same thing for the other foot. So we'll keep scrubbing until we see that right foot make contact with the ground, right about here. And again, we're going to add an event and call that play step. And then we can click apply.